Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. In my garage, and this is going to be Project Caliber, the continuation of the struts on the daughter's Caliber. They're gone. They're shot. They're all the seals. The seals let go, of course. So now all the fluids leaked out of them. So the only thing that they have for suspension is the springs. So we're down here gonna find some struts off of something that's just had it done. Hopefully. As you can see, this is a dead giveaway that your strut is probably leaking. It's pretty clean. Why it was all messed up like that? Shoot. Too bad. See, keep looking. Get the party started here. Get these wheels off. Get that upper section. Come on. Get in. Alright. Okay, well, I was back to looking again, and here is a PT Cruiser 0705, and the struts will fit. Those are brand spanking new struts. So let's get to it. Nope, that ain't it, because it's got no sway bar. It's got no sway bars. Oh man. Ah, they were wrong. They were wrong. And it's got no sway bar links either. You serious? You're killing me. Still looking. Oh, come on. We're losing time here. Wasn't looking. Yeah, you gotta look at them and see if they got sway bar links. All I see is the one on the end. I guess I gotta go with that one. Now we can. Yeah. Alright, let's try that black one there. It's only gotta last. Only gotta last for a year. You prick, come off of there. I'm pissed. Again. 18. Ouch. 21. Where's my 19? There you go again. All right, 18, 21. Let's go. Any luck?
Good. Oh, thank you very much.
No problem. I wish people would start rounding off the freaking wheel lugs. Yeah. You serious? Oh my God. Oh, dude. I didn't bring a 20. I didn't be pisses me off. I got a 19. I need a 20. I'm going to bring 20s. Nope. You're out of luck. Well, there's one more. End of the field here. So this is what I do. I gotta get the wheel lug off, right? Yeah. Can't get the wheel lugs off. Oh, this suck. Oh, you just took them off. Stole them. It's gone, gone, gone. They just zip them out, cut it off, and take it. Whole assembly. Fucking 3 of these motherfuckers, I can't find one. Good enough. How do I get the wheel off of it? Take it. Take them. It's not leaking. the blue. Two right next to each other. That was bad either. Until we get the wheel off. Oh, wheels are off for that one. Alright, if I get the wheels off of it, all depends. Alright. Huh. '50s. Oh, fuck yeah. Ain't that much better than another one. Right. Again, I'm not gonna last you a freaking year. And you ain't paying for them, so. Hey, what's that? Ah, you look. Oh, you're not gonna get that nut off. Try it. You forgot about those. Oh man, bought these, but she have a nice kid. She's got an anti-skid. She's got no anti-skid. Ah, this doesn't have anti-skid. Oh, got an anti-skid? Got an anti-skid. Decent springs. Mud on that. Ay, ay, ay. Man, they're killing me. Ah. See if I can get that freaking socket wheel off of that. I gotta run down there and see if I got a I can't get this nut off of here, then basically yeah. It's got any skid? Yeah, it's got any skid. Oh man, killing me. I gotta get something. Let's see if I can find a compass over there. Not, I'm done for the day. We're coming to another day. I don't know.
My lesson learned at this point: have a lug nut extraction kit. Get it off of eBay.
I'm pulling them off of two different vehicles now. Man. Wow. 12 o'clock. I got a 1 o'clock appointment for alignment. Uh, 21, but I tried it. Wait a minute, freaking 20. No, I'm like 18 on that one. Bigger than a 19. 50 or 18. Give me 18. 19. I got a nice skid here. We got it. That one. Like that. Oh shit, that just broke off. Now I get that locked in there. I got nothing pushed down to it. Snap that off. And go any further? Taking that piece off. Like that. I gotta lock the wheel. Okay, it's on there now. Unbreak it. Alright. Awesome. Alright, so I gotta cancel that appointment. Another goggles. Good tire. Not so good, like the one I got. Alright. Okay. Dude, that's Douglas. But it's 60 would be good. $15.60. Alright. I'm going to break it down. Okay, we're good here. I don't think I've got any. What the hell is that thing? No persistence there. Alright, we got it. And wow, we're cutting them. Yeah. Let's see, van warmers. I'm not gonna make that appointment. Shit. Let's see. Phone number to van warmers in Cohocton. This is Dana. I had an appointment at 1 o'clock, and I'm stuck down here in Wilbert's right now. I'm not going to get there at 1. Get something later on today or something tomorrow? Yeah, that'd be okay, because talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye. Now we're getting that freaking bearing off, or the fucker over there. It's on 19s. Oh, yo. Alright. Got another. Oh, look, a big man. I need those. Alright, so I got time. Yeah, great. It just screwed me out of time slot. Anyway. What do we have? 18 tonight. That's 17. 19. He's doing 18. Where's the tip out of that? What are you rolling around for? $17. My 18. Now, I'm in my pocket. Those off of there. Let's go. One. Okay. All right. Come on here. Get on. You have gloves. And you know what I forgot? Got my 10s. I've got 10s to get those off of there. I'll have to cut them. Let's cut them. Hey. Awesome. All right. Good, good, good. Ah. All right. Thank you. Come on, go. Let's get the wheel strut nut off of the bearing nut. Hub CV shaft nut. Jesus. Alright. Good. That's okay. Just trying to clear, I'm not getting the shaft off of it. And I know it's 32. There's the wrong one in my hand. Who's that one right? Oh, I got it. All right. Okay. And that's it. There was it, 18. You serious? You let go. Are you serious? Uh-oh. Yeah. Alright, at least I got one. Actually a good tire. Actually a good tire ride. Come on, that 2. Oh yeah. Yeah, that one will let go eventually. Okay, we gotta get the little ball now. Fortunately, I didn't bring any tons or anything, so I cut that off. Okay, so now oh, God. Alright. 15s. I have to cut that too. Well, yeah, spin it. I had no choice but to cut the control arm because it's sitting on that doggone thing there again. So on that race. Oh, come on. All right. Okay, she's gonna drop out of there. I forgot to do the. I gotta get the anti-skid out of here. The anti-skid. Okay. Yeah. Ow. I said, this is what. Alright. Oh. Alright. Do the saddle mat too. I have my one glasses on. I actually wore them this time. This one here. Like that with. Where's my dikes? I get it. There we go. Up there. Here I can actually yank the box out, I think, and get it. The box. There it is. And down here. Oh. Got that little red locking device that I can never get loose. I swear that's got to be the hardest part of the whole job, is getting the anti-skid harness loose. Yeah. Come on, you. Go. Like I said. Ow. Man. Really? Don't bring anything smaller. Wow, a go! Huh. This is how you go. Come on. What the heck? There it goes. Now push that freaking thing down. Come here. That's it, man. I know you're losing. I feel it. Yeah, I remember getting my glove. Come on. Felt that go down. This is embarrassing. Holy cow! All right, frickin' regroup here. Just push it down. It's pushing down. Wow! Like I said, that's the hardest part of the whole job. Jesus. What are you doing there? Do something in here. Huh. I can use that for something. Okay. Next, let's get that. I got the other side. Get that off of there. So there you go. I just gotta pull it out. See it? Get to it. Now I'm cutting those front wires. So I can't get hands down there. Come here. All right. Now bring your ass up here. You can't get this plug through there. It won't come. Okay. Good point. I am done. Done, hopefully. At the moment I'm done, because I've got to get them off there and hopefully the bearings are good. Come on. screwing it up. Way out of the way. All right, come on. Oh, shaft's driving me nuts now. Come on. Now you take me out again. Screwing up the heads on that. There we go. That's it. It feels like I got a good bearing too. Yeah. That's not broken. Okay. Yeah, nice. That feels good. Alright. You got that on you. This pump's not making me happy. Drop out. That's okay. Awesome. Okay, there we go. It's out. Oh, come on. Oh, you're killing me. There it goes. Got it. Alright. Alright. Part 2. Yep, feels good. Hey. Keep it up. Good. Okay. Looks good. Good. Not leaking here. Not leaking there. 100% better than what she had it. See, let's get the. Hey, that's all right. Come on. And hammer. Seriously? You didn't even throw your thing in there. Continuation of doing the shock strut on the 08 caliber, because you had that thump thump thump.